Thank you for your help, Deputy. Good afternoon. Are you Devin Plum?
Yes, sir, I am.
This is Judge Middleton. We've met. This is an old case from 2019, file 19889SM. It's alleged that you and a couple of co-defendants, Jerry Ryle and Dylan Penn, his brother, were at the Walmart store in Sturgis and stole some property worth more than more than $200, excuse me. A baby monitor, a purse, some leggings, and a duffel bag. I guess it was less than 200, but they allegedly had a previous conviction out of Grand Traverse County. That's retail fraud in the second degree. Your lawyer, Mr. Luke Nossinger, is here with me. He's been here for 2 hours waiting to try to get this case resolved. Also present is Abigail Stoll from the prosecuting attorney's office. Prosecutor has agreed to dismiss the retail fraud second degree charge for a plea to retail fraud third degree. I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room where you can discuss this privately with Mr. Nossinger. Then we'll make a further record on what you want to do. It should join you automatically. Ours jail does. Hopefully, if it doesn't, you'll see something that says join. Click on that button.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
All right, Abigail, here's the part where you and I sit around and wait a little longer. My hair's all gray from sitting around. Stick around 40 years, your hair will be like this.
Judge, can you bring her back in?
Yes, takes 30 seconds. Oh, 10 seconds. I'd switch the timing.
She intends to plead to the retail fraud via no contest and stipulate to the 154.76 restitution.
All right, Miss Plum.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're back. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Retail fraud second degree is punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Retail fraud third degree is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. The prosecution contends that the restitution figure is 154.76. Ms. Stoll, you confirm the plea offer?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Now, Mr. Nossinger says that you're going to plead no contest to this charge, possibly because it happened 6 years ago and you don't have a clear recollection of it. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. By pleading no contest, you don't admit what happened, but you also don't deny what happened. You allow or accept that a conviction would enter. Do you understand?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
By pleading no contest, there won't be a trial. If you had a trial, you'd have the right to be represented by Mr. Nossinger or other attorney if you wish to hire one of your own choosing. If you had a trial, you'd have a right to have any of the witnesses for or against you subpoenaed to come to court so they can be questioned under oath. You would have the right to take the witness stand and testify on your own behalf, but you don't have to because you have a right not to testify. And if you did not wish to testify, the judge or jury could not hold your silence against you, and you have the right to be presumed innocent unless the state was able to prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you plead no contest to this charge?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
According to the affidavit of probable cause that was included in paper form, you were at the Walmart store with Jerry Ryle and his brother Dylan Penn. They had a video of you with a black hoodie on and concealing some items and then walking out of the store. And then they went back and assessed what it was you took, and it was worth $154.76. They were able to identify you through JJ and Dylan, and they matched your booking photo and driver's license photo to the video from the Walmart store. Dylan and JJ were involved in this kind of thing at that time. Were you aware that JJ passed away?
I was not actually.
He died last January.
Oh, wow.
And it's hard on everybody in the family, but
Sure, they were very
he passed
close
away.
family. Sorry.
All right, so Is that acceptable to you that I use that factual basis for the no contest?
Yes, Your Honor. I wasn't sure if you were speaking to me. Sorry.
All right, now I'm trying to figure out how to do jail credit here. You got arrested back in 19, spent a couple days jail, got out, absconded. You got arrested in 2021, did a couple of days jail, forfeited a $400 bond. If we had that bond now, we could use it to pay restitution. Then you went to the Wexford County Jail back in, we tried to get this set up again in 2025, but you got back in jail. How long have you been in the Wexford County Jail?
Of 2025, sorry. I've been trying to handle this, but they had the jail call and they said they weren't wanting me for it.
We tried to do this a couple of times. I wanted you to come back here and do it in person, but right now, this hold is jamming you up from getting into treatment program.
Yes.
I'm gonna call it $125 and $155 to Walmart. Make it due by the end of this year, December 31, 26. 155 and 125 is 280. So this case is done. It shouldn't show as a hold.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
What's the plan for you, Miss Plum?
I'm supposed to be leaving for Sunrise Rehab Facility on February 17th. I'm gonna go to sober living from there. My fiance is also in recovery as well. He lives in Gaylord. We're gonna move into Gaylord after I work on myself for some months. Much needed work.
Where is Sunrise?
It's in Alpena up north, further than this even.
And when you get up past Grand Rapids, everything's up north and they all kind of share resources. What's your addiction? Methamphetamine?
Heroin and I guess meth, yes.
All right, well, we've got a long memory here. This was 6 years ago, but we've just resolved it. You've got lots of clean time under your belt. They've got sober living rehab. I didn't want to keep you from that, but I wanted to get this matter resolved. So I gave you 10 days credit, 10 days, $280 in restitution and a minimum allowable fine. I waived the fine, I waived the attorney fee. Mr. Nossinger, thanks you for your help in finally resolving this case after 6 years. All right, Ms. Plum, you're good to go.
All right, thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Take care, Devin.
Thank you, Mr. Knopfinger.